Hey guys, welcome back. You're still tuned into Business Lunch on CNBC-TV18, and let's get talking about the IPO market now. Electronic subsystems contract manufacturer DCX Systems IPO has opened for subscription today. Vahishta is joining us to tell us more about the issue, and Vahishta also new company on the block, so tell us a little bit about the company as well.
Definitely, Pavitra. DCX Systems is the new kid on the block today, and it opens its issue today. It's a contract manufacturer of electronic subsystems and cable harnesses, and amongst the largest Indian offset partner for defense and aerospace industry, which we already know is booming at present. The issue sizes of approximately is of 500 crores, of which 400 crores is the fresh issue, while the remaining 100 crores is an offer for sale. Now, the promoter holding at present is at 98%, and the price band is of 197 to 207 rupees, which means that the implied market cap at the upper price band comes to approximately 1900 to 2000 crore rupees. Now, the proceeds of the fresh issue is expected to be utilized for paying their debt, for funding their working capital requirements. Also, there would be some investments in their wholly owned subsidiary, which is Ranil Advanced Systems, and there would be some general corporate purposes for which the money would be utilized. Now, in terms of revenue, it's been going quite strong. In fact, the revenues have more than doubled in the past 2 years, which current in FY22 were at 1100 crores versus 450 crores in FY20. The margins have been more or less volatile depending on the clients that they've had. The FY22 order book was approximately 2400 crores, and the company has a mix of domestic and international customers, which includes 26 customers in Israel, US, Korea, India, etc. Some big names like ELTA Systems, Bharat Electronics, Astra Rafael Comsys, Israel Aerospace Industries, etc. Now, in terms of peer comparisons, the company looks reasonably valued when compared with its peers at approximately 31 times, compared with Bharat Electronics, which is at 34 times, Data Patterns at 61 times. Now, some of the key positives for this company is that it is among the leading contract manufacturers for the defense and aerospace industry. The company has clocked a revenue CAGR of 57% in the past 2 years, and is a strong beneficiary of the strong tailwinds which persist in the defense sector, which includes defense indigenization and the government of India's push towards defense exports.
All right. Thanks so much, Vahishta, for getting us all those important details. Let's also hear out the management of the company, S. Ramalingam, the whole-time director of DCX Systems, on the business outlook going forward. And what is it that the investors could be betting on in this IPO? Listen in.
FY22, I have about 467 crores of short-term borrowings in my balance sheet, out of which, out of the 400 crores that I'm taking into the primary for the company, we are repaying about 110 crores towards the banking system. We have a very clear plan of the existing cable and wire harness expanding, system integration business going into other geographies, etc. And also, we are getting into a backward integration on EMS PCB assembly. FY22 would be the most ideal year in which all the last 3 years of plan has really come into place, and that probably become the base for the future years to come. And now with backward integration and forward integration into more better margin-oriented areas like EMS and product game, etc., I see the consolidation of margins happening and moving forward.
All right, that is the management of DCX Systems. So with that, we're going to get into a short break now. There's lots more updates lined up for you on the other side of the short break, so stay tuned.